or watching or what? Dab. Hi guys, this is Caroline, always reminding you that you are created beautifully. Today I'm going to do my quick makeup look to get out the door for the summer months. I did pair this up with a red lipstick, but of course you can go in with a nude lipstick if you like. And if you're new to my channel, before you do anything else, please consider clicking down below that red button that says subscribe. Click that thumbs up button to say that you like this video. And consider joining this channel family. I upload makeup and beauty related videos every Tuesday. On Thursday I have vlogs, and on Sunday there are bonus videos. That means there's everything under the sun that goes into those Sunday bonus videos. And because it's the summer months, I will warn you, I'm like kind of backlogged in doing a bunch of different things, but this look right here will take me between 10 to 15 minutes and I'm out the door. I feel like I look good and it's not too heavy and it doesn't take too long. So if you're interested at all on how I did this look, so that you can find pointers maybe for yourself to help you get out the door, please continue watching. You guys are going to be hearing a buzzing sound. I cannot do this without my fan on, so sorry. Because I'm going to be using powders today, I do like to go ahead and use my Fix Plus from MAC just to add some more moisture in my skin. Next, you'll know that if you've been with me a long time, I do have a lot of discoloration under my eyes, and I do have this zit. I am going to use a color corrector today. If you are going to do any color correcting, you want to make sure that you use color corrector that is darker than your actual skin tone. This helps to eliminate any of that grayish bruised color that comes through oftentimes. That time to really soak into my skin before I do the powders. So the first step I do go in with is my brows. You guys know I look like those mole rats. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and do our brows. I'm gonna speed that through, and the reason why I'm gonna try to speed this through is because right now I have to be far from my mirror. I need to be in frame. But when I'm doing this on my way out, I'm like right up against the mirror. I hope all that makes sense. I'm gonna try to do this as fast as possible, staying inside the frame. So because I have my eyebrows tattooed in, it's very hard to look as natural as possible because they're kind of already stenciled in. But if I was in a super duper rush, I just use eyeshadow. I skip the whole brow wiz thing and I go straight to the brown shadow. So next I go in with the concealer that is the closest to my skin color. This is in the color Caramel in NARS. And I use this to really shape my brows. I know, natural but not natural. I also use this to conceal my lids. I have a lot of discoloration on my eyelids as well. I'll just use a blender to go ahead and spread out that concealer. But I use the brush more to shape my brows. I just feel like when my brows are done, I can go out and just look just like this and I'll be totally fine. But I do a couple more steps if I want to look a little more fancy. So if I need to go ahead and conceal any other little parts, like I do have that little zit right there, which I'm going to go ahead and I just use the concealer very, very lightly. Right now, that's really all I'm going to conceal. So next, I'm going to take MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish in Medium Deep. And I'm taking my Bare Minerals brush. I'm going to press that into my skin. And then we'll go into circular motions. Now, depending on how fast I need to get out the door is how fast I'll do this step. But I think this just helps to mattify and take out any oils, but it's still natural. And even when I sweat through this, it's still nice. Like, so it's not any type of full coverage at all, but I think it just kind of gives your face the illusion like you got better skin than you actually do. Next, I just go in with the bronzer because, you know, it's summer, we've been eating a lot, we need to carve out the illusion that our face is a lot thinner than it is right now. With my Fenty Beijing Guile, we're just bronzing our skin, enough contour but not full contour. Do you know what I'm saying? So I always take just a big fluffy brush and I'm going to use that around my cheek area. So of course when I'm not on camera, this is like a super fast step here because just running the brushes. So as you can see, there is no real defined part of this makeup look. Trying to give you a very nice natural look. Alright, taking that same color, because we do want to kind of give some dimension into our eyelids, I take my same contour and I use a Morphe E27 brush. I take that product and I use that in my crease area just to give it some depth. Can you tell that's that subtle difference? Now, a step I never get away from, especially in the summer, because I think you just really want to give some pinch of colors to your face. I use blush to do that. I think everyone should wear blush. I don't think people pay enough attention to blush, but I think it really does so much for a person's face. So I'm going in with my favorite. This is Lovejoy from MAC. You guys see this all the time on my channel. I just put it loosely on the apples of my cheek and I work it into where we added that bronzer. What I like to do just to give my eyes a little bit more pop, but not too much. So you just go in with any shimmer color and I just add that right onto my lid just like that. So I'm just going to go back in with that same brush. I'm not adding any product, the E27, and I just want to make sure that there are no harsh lines. Any shimmer shade will work, guys, seriously. Now guys, I am not one that's really big when I'm going out to add mascara or eyeliner, but what I will do just to kind of not look like a rat, what I will do is I'll take that same brown shadow with that same brush and do a mock liner with it. And then because it's the summer months, I still like to go in with a big pop of color using any liner. This is Nutmeg from NYX, just because I don't want that red to bleed. So I am going to be using a red today. You can do whatever you like. If you want to go totally neutral or natural, you can go ahead and grab a more nude lip, but I am going in with Saigon from ColourPop. So guys, this is our finished look and I'm looking on my screen and it says 24 minutes. Of course I'm going to shrink this down, but honestly, when I don't have a camera to worry about or have to explain this, like I said, between 10 and 15 minutes, this makeup look is good to go. I'm ready. I'm out the door. So thank you so much for watching this video. I absolutely love how quick this look is. I still feel very put together without putting too much effort or thought into it. None of the steps that we're doing are very precise. Everything is kind of just loosely put together, but you look good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, God bless you.